this video, I'll turn simple magazine cutouts into a creative new artwork. Watch as I mix and match unexpected elements to create something unique. Welcome to Magazine Cutouts, a series where I explore fun and creative ways to make art using nothing but scissors, glue, and of course, magazines. Ever wondered what happens when you mix a human hand with a bird's wing or a fashion model with an animal face? In this video, I'm creating a surreal collage figure by blending unexpected elements together. First, you're going to flip through some random magazines. You're not looking for anything unique, particular, just when something catches your eye, you can cut them out. Just easy cutout, not really precise. You will cut them out precise when you're going to mix and match. You don't have anything in particular in mind, you're just see something that catches your eye and you're like, I think I can use this, and then you can cut them out. You're going to mix and match when you're in your sketchbook, so this is just a mindful job to find out what really suits you. The only thing that you look at that you're going to mix and match a head with a body and some legs. If you need some extra accessories, feel free to add them. You don't need to, but just needs to have a head, a body, and some legs. Since this is going to be a surreal collage, you don't have to think of things that really match or something that you would wear in day-to-day life. No, you can just go all out. You can find an outfit that really catches your eye and makes you happy. Just have fun making this collage. And it's totally fine if you want to cut out more bodies or more heads or more legs. When you got a few bits and pieces, you can actually start putting them together. See what works and what doesn't. Sometimes you really fall in love with some legs and then they end up not being the perfect one for your surreal collage. That's fine. Then you have an alternative. And those bits and pieces you cut out and that doesn't really fit anything, you can use the next time. Because I can tell you, making these collages is really addictive. And I told you to pick out a head. It doesn't mean that it needs to be a human head. What if you would mix a fish head or a deer head or maybe something else? This is going to be a surreal collage, so this is not only going to be human, it could be animal, it could be a child, it could be a grown-up, it could be anything you like. Maybe you got something from Barbie, that's fine too. This cutting out process takes forever, and that's fine. This is a bit of me time. Just go and play. And if you see things already happening, don't wait until you got your sketchbook out. You can lay them out in a way that you think, this really suits me. And just go on cutting until you feel it's time to get your sketchbook out. And then it's time to get your sketchbook and put the things in there. Why not place a bra over a blouse? Why not add a fish head? And some deer legs. Actually look quite well together. Now the puzzling just begins. And don't be afraid to cut things down again. Just pieces of a puzzle. And if it works, it works. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. That's totally fine. It's your sketchbook. It's about the process, the play. It's not that much about the end result. And when you think you're happy, you can start gluing them down. I usually take a piece of paper to put them on there, not just to keep them all in place, but that I could go with the glue towards the edges so it will stick better to my page. Because when I get edges of glue on my page, yeah, they will probably get stuck together and I won't see my beautiful collage anymore. So this works really good with pages you're not going to use, but you could also use like yellow pages or an old phone book. Oh, shit. I use a glue stick, but because when you glue something down and it isn't really perfect, usually you can just take it off if you don't wait too long and put it in the right place. You also have a glue that's repositionable, so you could use that if you want to, but I like my glue stick. And there we have our first figure. What if we can make a second one? Like I said before, when you do this, you usually want to make a second one, a third one, and that's why you have all those bits and pieces. You can stick them together, mix and match, and see what happens. And then you have enough bits and pieces left to make a second one or a third one, or how many you'd like to make. Almost looks like this deer head actually belongs to the body. When is it ready? When you think it's ready. If it needs more accessories, it needs more accessories. And I have the box in the hand of this person or this character, and I want something else in his hand, so I think I'm going to use this bit, but it's just too large and it doesn't really look that good anymore. And I could just totally keep the box, of course. But what if I can change it even more? Let me see if I can use this. And if I don't use it now, I can use it later. Really see it's a process. Something emerges or something just doesn't. That makes the box look a lot better and a lot more fun, because who doesn't really need art supplies? Everybody is going to be happy with art supplies. And these are the tools I made. I could make a third one. Put it here. Looks cute, but no. But my second figure still needs some legs. And for some weird reason, I decided to draw them here, but it's a collage, it's not a drawing. Why would I? Because I've cut out legs that I could use. I think I forgot about it, so I just watched this video later on. I noticed this is not good, so I'm going to add some legs anyway. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next episode in the cutout series. I'm so curious what you're going to make. Drop your ideas in the comments, and I hope to see you next time.